Hey guys! So today, I'm really excited because we're unboxing something special. The Paint with Josh Brush Set in collaboration with Craftamo. If you've been looking for some new brushes that feel really high quality and give you a ton of versatility, this is the set that you need. I've been so pumped to check this out, but before we get into the brushes, I want to give you a quick background on the guy behind this whole thing, Joshua Kirkham, or as you probably know him, Paint with Josh. This guy is all about making art accessible for everyone. He got tons of tricks up his sleeve, and these brushes, they're designed with exactly that in mind, making your painting experience easier and more enjoyable. Alright, let's talk about what you get in this set. Once you open, you'll get this huge insert card with all the details. Plus, you're getting 8 brushes in total and 1 palette knife. It's a great mix of brushes that cover all your needs, from fine details to big bold strokes. And I gotta mention, these brushes are made with cruelty-free synthetic hog hair, recycled gold ferrules, and glossy black handles. Seriously guys, they look and feel amazing. But the best part? They work with both oil and acrylic paints. So, no matter what medium you're into, you're covered. Let's start with the palette knife. This one's pretty cool because it's not just for mixing paint. You can actually use it to scrape paint off the canvas or even create some awesome textured effects. Next up, we've got this size 10 round brush. So it's much bigger than your usual round brush, so it's perfect for bold strokes or adding big sweeping details. It holds a lot of paint and gives you really smooth coverage. Now, let's talk about the flat brushes because these are super versatile. First up, we've got the size 2-inch flat brush, and wow, this thing is big. It's amazing for covering large areas like painting skies, backgrounds, or just laying down a ton of color super quickly. Next, there's the 1-inch flat brush, which is a perfect medium size. So it's great for a little more control but still gives you nice, bold strokes for smaller sections. And finally, the size 9 flat brush, which is the smallest in the set. It's awesome for more precise, sharp edges or even, adding smaller details in your work. Next, the Filbert brush in size 7. So this one is rounded, so it's great for softening edges and blending. You can actually get those smooth, rounded strokes without any harsh lines. Now, the script liner in size 23. This is one of my favorites. If you're into tiny, very fine details, this is your go-to brush. It has long bristles that let you paint those super thin lines. And lastly, the fun brushes in sizes 8 and 4. If you want to add texture, these are your best friend. Whether it's leaves on a tree or that texture of clouds, they give you that soft, natural feel. And that's it guys. These brushes seriously feel amazing, and I can already tell that they're going to take my painting to the next level. Whether you're into acrylics or oil, you're going to love how these brushes work. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I can't wait to see what you create with this set. Happy painting!